Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine and has four-wheel drive capabilities. This vehicle also comes equipped with the XLT Black Appearance Package, the XLT Sport Package, as well as the Trailer Tow Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, a nice dual exhaust, that nice backup camera right there, and moving to the side, we do have mud flaps on both rear and front wheel wells. We do have that nice side view camera right there, that LED strip, a nice gripped running board, so the likelihood of you slipping is very slim. And moving to the front, we do have two tow hooks for your towing necessities, the license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look inside, this vehicle does sit 5 people comfortably, and we do have this nice black leathering and light stitching. We do have tons of door space for whatever you need, a B&O sound system, which makes your music sound pretty nice. We do have 2 cup holders back there, a 12-volt outlet, a USB and a USB-C, and a 120-volt outlet right there. And if you need a little extra cargo space, you can always lift this up for some extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side, we can see the seats are powered with the same black leathering we saw in the back there. We also have plenty of door space up front as well, that B&O sound system, your parking brake, your pedal adjusters, 2 blind spot detections, and your tailgate opener. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 21.3 kilometers. Looking at our steering wheel, we have a nice leather wrapped steering wheel with the light gray stitching. We do have our toggle for our main camera our main screen up there. We also have our phone and media controls right there, volume and voice, and your cruise control right there. Taking a look at our menu, we do have My View, Trip and Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. And taking a look to the right of me, we do have a nice collapsible gear shift, which is also leather wrapped, providing you with a lot of extra space. You do have a nice little cubby there, 2 cup holders, a fair bit of storage down there with a USB and a USB-C. You have your rear axle lock, drive modes, 4-wheel drive capabilities, trailer disconnect, and Pro Trailer Assist right there. Now looking at our drive modes, we do have normal, slippery, deep sand and snow, mud and ruts, and all the way to the right here, we have tow and haul, eco, and sport. Now looking over here, we do have 2 heated seats, dual climate, your media controls there, 12-volt outlet, 120 outlet. And looking above here, we do have a nice little button, which gives you extra space, and of course storage under the dash as well. We do have our auto stop and auto start, our 360 view of the vehicle, hazards, and traction control right there. Now looking at our main screen, you have audio, phone, navigation, so you don't get lost, your fave apps, such as messaging, email, vehicle settings, powered tailgate, Wi-Fi hotspot, apps such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings such as navigation, vehicle, Ford Assistance, and features such as driving assist, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. And looking above my head here, we do have a rear window opener, which is always pretty handy. We do have a nice leather-wrapped center console here, which can be lifted up, providing you with a lot of space. This can be moved side to side or taken out completely. And we do have a USB and a USB-C down there, which, if you have the wires connected, can go through here so the console is not crushing your wires. The stock number for this vehicle is FC41730, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.